Hey ladies, welcome back. I found the perfect full traditional sewing alternative, and this one is going to cut your installation time in half.
Absolutely in love with my hair today. It's a light Yaki V-Part Wig by KLAIYI Hair, and I did end up sewing it onto my head. I sewed it along the sides, the top, and then a little across the nape of my head, and I have a full install. It didn't take me hours to install this or anything. It was super fast, and I'm actually very impressed. I love quick weaves and sew-ins and everything, but this literally has no tension. If you want to see exactly how I installed it, stay tuned.
Okay, so right here I'm just doing a quick unboxing. The package included 2 elastic bands, 2 wig caps, and the wig. As you can see, it's very full and long, and I just want to show you guys the 4 combs around the leave out area. They're placed to ensure that your wig lays flat all along your leave out. It also has an elastic band, 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and a drawstring to perfectly adjust the wig to your head, and it actually holds.
And let me just tell you guys about the quality of the hair. The hair quality is amazing. I never get on here and lie to y'all. It's very full. It definitely holds a curl. It straightens well also. And I did dye it black. If you want to just be able to take it on, take it off, you could just use the combs that it already comes with. I wanted a more permanent style. I actually wanted a sew-in. So this was perfect for me to be able to just sew it down.
Okay, so I'm about to put my wig on, and y'all, I forgot to show you guys my braid down. So I'm just slowing it down here a bit just so you could kind of see how I did my braid down. There's 2 tiny cornrows directly beneath my leave out and 10 large cornrows all around. So first I'm just going to adjust the wig to my head, and I'm just going to hot comb the V part. I want it to be super flat before I begin sewing it down. I'm also using a wax stick to help flatten everything out. And you guys, this is their new EZ Contour V-Part wig, so they did make a few adjustments. So of course they have the flip weft, so it looks like the hair is coming out of your scalp, and they actually made theirs a lot thinner. Sometimes this part could be very bulky, but just look how flat theirs is. So when you comb your leave out on top, it appears seamless. You know we live for a flat install. Okay, so first I'm just going to use my clips to keep the hair in place while I start to sew down my wig around my leave out. So first I line the wig up with my cornrow, and then I'm just going to begin sewing it down. So I'm just going to sew the wig down beneath my entire leave out, and then I'm going to get to the sides. Okay, so now that that's finished, it's time to sew down my sides. So I'm just pulling the wig up to adjust it to exactly where I want it to fall. I like for my hair to frame my face, so I'm actually pulling my hair up as far as possible. All I really want out is the baby hair. And this is perfect because I don't actually have to put tension on my edges, but my hair is still full around my face. So right here, I'm just filling for the first cornrow because that's what I'm going to attach it to hold it in place. Pin the rest of my hair back, and now I'm just going to sew my wig down. Also, I'm not going to sew the entire side down. I really don't need to. Just enough to hold it in place, and you can see exactly where I'm sewing it down. I stopped as soon as I passed my ear. Okay, so now it's time to sew down the back. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pull the wig down, adjust it to where I want it to lay, and then I'm just going to sew it down. And I'm just looping it through each cornrow, not too much, because I also have the drawstring in the back that I'm going to adjust to my head as well. So I'm going to use some Cheese Silk Infusion Serum to straighten out all of my hair. Right here, I'm just running my hot comb through my extensions, and y'all, it looks so silky with just one pass. This hair is soft and full, and the texture match really blends with my hair. So right here, I'm just adding layers in my hair. I love when my hair frames my face, and I love when my hair is layered when I curl it. Okay, so next I straighten my leave out, and I'm using some camera finishing spray to hold everything in place. And last but not least, I'm just going to curl all of my hair, also using some Kenra finishing spray. And right here, I'm just combing all of my curls out. Y'all, look how good this hair looks. And furthermore, look how well my leave out blends with the wig. The entire V-part is not even covered with my hair, but you can't even tell because of the flip weft. This was a couple weeks later, and I still have the wig installed. I wore it to dinner with my husband. The wig is still really cute, good quality with very minimal shedding. But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All of the details for this wig will be listed in my description.